Hey y'all, so I am outside. I have my old seed trays. I'm gonna drop all this dirt off into one of the old pot, clean it, and then put some starting seed mix in so I can start on my seeds for this year. So I dumped all the dirt out and now I'm going to give them a quick rinse. I gotta get rid of all this little dirt in here. So I got my bucket of hot water right here, and then I'm gonna take these trays and put them on the ground, and then I'm gonna just pour over them. Alright, I filled them up with water. I got them inside their main tray just for them to sit a little bit and soften the dirt at the bottom. But I'm gonna pour it out and then pour another bucket of water over these without the bottom tray. I got the water right here and I put a little bit of bleach in it. Let's take this one out. This one's leaking. This is pretty much broken. I've had this since I started gardening, and you see part of this kind of tore up, but I'm gonna rinse that off. This is my newer one. I think I got this last year. I need another tray. This one's perfectly intact. Just gonna dump that out. This here, and I'm gonna pour the water in here. It's got a little dirt in it. Alright, now I got the cells out. Okay, I flipped them all upside down and then I'm gonna pour some more water under here because as you can see it's really dirty. Okay, so I'm gonna leave them out here to dry, and then when they're done I'm gonna bring them in the house, put them in some more water in a bucket and start scrubbing each of these cells.